Have you ever posted a link in a Facebook group and then found yourself checking back every few minutes, hoping someone had clicked on it? Maybe you refreshed the page once, maybe twice, maybe more times than you'd like to admit, but nothing happened. No comments, no messages, no clicks. If you've ever been there, let me start by saying this: don't be too hard on yourself. You're not the only one. In fact, I've talked to a lot of good, honest people who have done the exact same thing. They're not trying to spam anyone. They're simply looking for a way to reach people who might actually need what they have to offer. And on the surface, it seems like a smart idea. You find a Facebook group with thousands of members. You think, there's so many people here. Surely a few of them will be interested. I probably would have thought the same thing. But here's what most beginners don't realize. Those thousands of people aren't just looking for opportunities. Many of them are posting opportunities too. Imagine walking into a room where everyone is trying to sell something. One person is handing out flyers. Another is giving a sales pitch. Someone else is saying they have the best opportunity you've ever seen. Everybody wants attention, but almost nobody is listening. After a while, all those voices start blending together. That's what happens inside a lot of Facebook groups. Your post doesn't disappear because it's bad. It disappears because it looks almost the same as dozens of other posts people have already scrolled past that day. And there's another reason this happens. People have become careful. They've seen big promises before. They've clicked exciting headlines before. Some of them have wasted money. Some have wasted time. So today, when they see another post that says, "Click here to learn more," their first reaction isn't curiosity, it's caution. And honestly, I can't blame them. I'd probably do the same thing. Now here's the good news. This doesn't mean Facebook groups don't work. It simply means the old way of using them doesn't work very well anymore. And once you understand that difference, everything starts to change. Because the goal isn't to get people to click a link. The goal is to give them a reason to trust the person sharing it. So how do you earn that trust? You stop thinking like a marketer and you start thinking like a helpful neighbor. Before you write your next Facebook post, ask yourself one simple question. What problem is this person trying to solve today? Maybe they're worried about making their retirement income stretch a little further. Maybe they've tried other online programs and walked away feeling disappointed. Or maybe they're simply looking for someone who can explain things without all the hype and confusing language. That's the conversation you want to join. Let me give you a quick example. Imagine your post says, "I made $300 today. Click here to join me." Most people have seen that kind of post hundreds of times. Now imagine this instead. "I almost gave up on learning how to make money online because everything felt so confusing. Then I realized I didn't need to learn everything at once. I just needed one simple step I could understand. That changed everything for me." Which one feels more real? Which one sounds like someone you'd actually want to talk to? People connect with people, not promotions, not flashy claims, not big promises. They connect with honesty. Here's something else that makes a big difference. Don't be the person who only shows up to post a link. Spend a little time answering questions. Encourage someone who's just getting started. Share something you've learned from your own experience. Be part of the conversation. When people begin to recognize your name, they also begin to recognize your character. And trust is built one small interaction at a time. Another simple habit is to ask questions. Instead of ending your post with, "Click my link," try ending it with something like, "Have you ever felt this way?" Or, "What has been your biggest challenge with learning something new online?" Questions invite conversations. And conversations build relationships. Remember, most people don't join Facebook hoping someone will sell them something. They join because they're looking for community. They're looking for encouragement. They're looking for answers. If you become someone who consistently helps instead of constantly selling, you'll already be doing something that many people never learn. So don't measure your success by how many links you post this week. Measure it by how many people you helped, how many conversations you started, how many people walked away feeling encouraged because of something you shared. That's the kind of reputation that lasts. And over time, it's also the kind of reputation that brings the clicks, the conversations, and yes, even the sales. If today's message encouraged you, I'd love for you to join me again. Here at Marketing for Older Folks, we believe it's never too late to learn something new, one simple step at a time. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.